Hello everyone. Um, I have a question for you guys. Have you ever felt that feeling when your friends go out and left you alone? Or when you're not invited at all? And sometimes you always say yes on every occasion. Honestly, guys, we've all been there. And that is literally a FOMO, which is stand for the fear of missing out. It is easy to get um to get stressed out in the college life. The social media feeds overflow with pictures of parties, events, and other occasions that seemingly endless adventures. And it felt like we're constantly missing out on something amazing, or something that will define our college experience. And because all of that, we pressure ourselves to attend in every event, join every occasion, and cram every experience in our overflowing schedules. Honestly, guys, that 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 traits we have, actions, that actions, that particular actions, um, make it our life more miserable. It can cause more harm than good. But here's the truth: we can do it all. Trying to chase every opportunity ultimately leads to burnout, stress, and less fulfilling experience. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the volume of choices, let's focus on quality over quantity. Prioritize the experiences that truly gains us gains us something that we can help in our lives, not just that feeling of missing out. And learn to say no gracefully to protect our time, energy, and for what truly matters. Remember, guys, college is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be other opportunities, other events, other late nights. It is okay to miss out on something. Um, in fact, it is essential. By focusing on few meaningful experience, just like studying and prioritizing your health, we can create a college experience that is both fulfilling and sustainable. Let's choose intentionality over overwhelm. Embrace the joy of being present in the moment. Be happy about it. And don't think about the negative. Um, don't think the negative. So guys, the moral lesson about this, be thankful for what we do right now. enjoy it, and take all the negative energy that comes from our life. Remember, be happy and always happy. Thank you.